Hey y'all, welcome back. Today I want to talk about my morning routine. The morning routine that I use to set myself up for success and to get more done during the day. So the first thing that I do in the morning whenever I walk into my living room is I open up all my windows. To me, the light is what motivates me to get stuff done and to get going and get my day started. But I'll open up all the windows in my house. And also, another thing that I like to do is turn on all the lights. I know that sounds crazy, but to me, the light makes me feel like I need to get up and do something because I don't want all my lights on if I'm just going to be sitting there. So that really helps me. Try that one out. So the next thing that I have to do every morning is just pour me a glass of water and chug it, because I stay in a perpetual state of dehydration and that can make you feel super sluggish and don't want to do anything. It just dehydration is not good for being motivated to do anything. It makes you feel kind of just crappy. So I just pour my glass of water and just chug it, and I don't set this glass down until I drink it all. I totally just got water all over me, but we'll move on. So the next thing that I like to do after I've eaten and have my coffee or my tea or whatever I'm having that day, I will make a list and basically just brain dump everything that I need to get done that day, or basically that week. I will put everything on the list and pick my main 3 that I need to get done that day. And so I will try to start on those things first. But definitely, of course, you'll hear this in every motivational morning routine, is make your bed. It really does help. It's kind of like the first thing that you can start at to get done, and as well as probably starting your dishwasher and starting your dishwasher, and also another thing that I like to do is start a load of laundry. To me, the tempo of, I don't guess I'd say tempo, but the sound of something running, like a washer or a dishwasher or something like that, even a fan can help me. But something going like that and kind of makes me feel like I need to start working too, or I need to get more done too, because something else is working. So I don't know, that's so stupid, but that's what I do. The next thing I do is get dressed. So the final thing I like to do for my morning routine to help me get more done is to start either music, a podcast, an audiobook, or maybe even a YouTuber. My favorite YouTuber to watch, cleaning motivation, is Love Meg, and she's just awesome. She's Southern. I think she's from North Carolina, but she's moved down to Savannah, Georgia, so she's still really Southern. I love her. She's my favorite, big time YouTuber. Well, cleaning YouTuber, I'll say that much. But she's great to listen to and just put on one of her cleaning playlists. And I love listening to her, explain what she's doing and all the different organizing things, or just whatever. Conway, hush. He's very vocal today. But going back to podcasts and audiobooks, I really like watching or listening to those too, because it really helps me to get in that zone. I don't know if everyone knows what I'm talking about, but whenever I am so focused on doing something and I get in that zone where my mind's thinking about maybe something that I'm listening to, or it just gets my wheels turning, but I'm so zoned in on cleaning that it's almost like time goes by so much quicker. You can get more done because you're super focused on what you're doing. Let me know in the comments if you know what I'm talking about. But I love getting in that zone. You feel like you're really just in the zone, I guess. That's all I have for y'all today. Please let me know if there's any motivational things that you do in the mornings that helps you out to get more done during the day and helps you set yourself up for success. Let me know in the comments.